Don't blow thousands on a fixed power station. Meet the EcoVerti pushcart that pumps out 6 kilowatts of 240 volt power. DIY friendly, even for first timers. Imagine this, when a workshop needs temporary power, a piece of equipment in a warehouse corner suddenly needs electricity, or a farm or livestock shed requires a separate power supply. A 6 kilowatt portable power unit can be wheeled directly to the site, plugged in and used immediately. It's a plug and play. Wherever you need power, you can wheel the power source there. Today I will demonstrate how to DIY such a power cart. The entire assembly is very simple and consists of 4 steps. First, install the inverter and battery separately, then connect them and finally set the communication protocol. Before we start, let's check everything you'll need. First, the main components: a stable and sturdy trolley stand, an EcoVerti 6 kilowatt inverter, and one 48 volt 100 ampere hour rack mounted battery. Additionally, there is a pair of battery and inverter connection cables and communication cable between the battery and the inverter. Before assembling anything, make sure all devices are powered off. This step is critical for safety. You'll also want to double check that all input and output ports match your load requirements. First, securely mount the battery on the cart. This prevents movement during transport. Next, install the inverter and keep the ventilation clear. Proper airflow is critical for high power operation. Next, we will proceed with the wiring between the battery and the inverter. Start by connecting the copper lug cables from the inverter's BAT terminals to the battery's BAT terminals, positive to positive, negative to negative. Then connect the communication cable. Once done, tidy up the cables and secure them with zip ties. Also, the inverter only supports the pylon communication protocol, so please ensure your battery uses the pylon communication protocol. Now that the hand truck is fully assembled, we can turn on the system power. The 6 kilowatt inverter is the core of this mobile power station. Its 6 kilowatt split phase output capacity can power most equipment. The clear and easy to use screen also makes all settings simpler. Wheel it away and use it. Stop and power up. In short, this is a very flexible temporary power system. You can easily build and use it. Wheel it to wherever you need power and then use it. Next, I will show you how to charge the power cart during use. This inverter supports a maximum solar input of 9000 watts with a PV input voltage range of 120 to 500 volts. You can use solar panels to charge your battery when not in use. You can also charge it using mains power. The AC input terminal has 4 terminals, L1, N, L2 and E. It supports 120 volt or 240 volt input. Please note that the AC input must match the AC output. Finally, let's quickly review the steps again. It's very simple. You only need to finish the following 4 steps to complete the installation. First, fix the battery at the bottom. Second, fix the inverter. Third, complete the wiring. Fourth, turn on the switch and set the communication, and this power monster will be ready to walk. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please like and share it with those who need it. If you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics, please leave a comment below. See you in the next video.